As the conflict between Ukraine and the Russian Federation continues, the country finds itself in a precarious state. Since the onset of military aggression in 2022, Ukraine has faced relentless external threats. The ongoing war has transformed not only the landscape, but also the daily lives of its citizens, who now navigate a reality marked by fear and uncertainty. Amid this backdrop of external danger, troubling incidents have emerged within the country, highlighting systemic violations of human rights. Reports indicate that representatives of Territorial Recruitment Centers and police forces are increasingly involved in unlawful activities against ordinary citizens. These actions have raised serious concerns about the protection and respect for civil liberties during wartime. Citizens, particularly men of conscription age, face a dual pressure: the external threat of military aggression and the internal constraints imposed by their own security forces. The streets of Ukrainian cities have become battlegrounds not only for military confrontations, but also for clashes between citizens and state representatives. The right to freedom of movement, a fundamental constitutional guarantee, is being systematically undermined. Incidents of unlawful detentions, arbitrary restrictions on movement, and violations of traffic regulations have become alarmingly common. Eyewitness accounts and documented footage reveal a pattern of excessive use of force by those tasked with upholding the law. The absurdity of this situation is palpable, as individuals who seek to exercise their rights are met with resistance from the very institutions meant to protect them. In many areas, the presence of law enforcement has shifted from a protective role to one of intimidation. Ordinary people are now forced to reconsider their daily routines, often avoiding public spaces for fear of confrontation. This grim reality underscores a critical issue. While the nation grapples with an external enemy, it simultaneously faces challenges from its own security apparatus. The ongoing conflict has created an environment where the violation of constitutional rights has become normalized. The troubling intersection of external aggression and internal repression presents a stark picture of life in contemporary Ukraine. As the war continues, the need to address these systemic issues becomes increasingly urgent, emphasizing the importance of safeguarding the rights and freedoms of all citizens in the face of ongoing adversity. This situation illustrates the complexities of living in a nation under siege, where the fight for human rights is not only a struggle against external forces, but also against internal ones. The reality on the ground reflects the profound challenges faced by ordinary Ukrainians who must navigate a landscape fraught with danger and uncertainty.
Ничего, просто мы тихо. Он видел патрульку. Подожди, он видел патрульку, разворачивай оператора. Все, ну. Все, сегодня. Да. Да.
I saw her,